In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Calendly with Systemi.io in just 5 minutes. This integration is a fantastic way to streamline your appointments directly onto your Systemi.io webpage, providing seamless scheduling for you and your clients. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log in to your Calendly account. Once you're in, navigate over to the event type you'd like to embed. It's important to choose the correct event type, as this will be visible to your clients who will be interacting with it. On the event type page, you'll notice a set of 3 dots, often referred to as the More Options menu. Go ahead and click on that. Next, you'll see an option to Add to Website. Click on that, and you'll be presented with a few choices for integration. We'll focus on the Inline Embed option, which allows the calendar to sit neatly within your page. Click Continue after selecting Inline Embed. Now comes an essential part. Copy the embed code provided. This code is the key to adding your Calendly schedule to Systemi.io. With your code safely copied, it's time to head over to Systemi.io. Log into your Systemi.io account, and once inside, you'll need to go to the Sites section. From there, choose whether you're working with funnels, stores, or your blog. Select the specific page where you wish to add the calendar and click to edit that page. While in the page editor, look to the sidebar and locate the raw HTML element. This functional tool is crucial for pasting the code. Drag and drop the raw HTML element to the area of the page where you want your calendar to be visible. Now, click on the raw HTML element you just added to the page. You'll see an Edit Code button or similar option appear. Click on it to access the code editor. Here is where you will paste the embed code that was copied earlier from Calendly. Make sure you paste it exactly as provided to avoid any issues. After you've pasted the embed code, ensure to save your changes in the Systemi.io editor. It's vital to save your progress to avoid losing any work done and to ensure the integration process is successful. Finally, preview the page to verify everything looks perfect. This step allows you to see what your visitors will experience. If the Calendly calendar is displayed correctly, congratulations! You've successfully integrated Calendly with Systemi.io. This swift process not only saves time for you, but enhances the user experience for anyone booking through your system. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful in making your scheduling seamless and efficient.